The best methods to use baking soda for cleaning. Baking soda is one of the most budget-friendly and powerful cleaning remedies you can find. It's a natural salt formed from sodium bicarbonate and carbon dioxide, capable of handling everything from unclogging drains to refreshing fabrics, whitening teeth, cleaning ovens, and more. Below are 20 quick and imaginative uses for baking soda in your home. 1. Unclogging toilets and drains. If your sink or toilet drains slowly, is blocked, or emits a foul odor, pour 1 cup of baking soda directly into the drain. Wait an hour, then cautiously pour in 2 cups of warmed vinegar. This chemical reaction helps break through blockages and eliminates odor-causing bacteria. 2. Carpet deodorizer. Carpets tend to cling to pet odors, perspiration, dust, and skin cells, so they occasionally require a thorough cleaning to remove stale smells. Sprinkle a generous layer of baking soda across the carpet. Wait about 30 minutes, then vacuum thoroughly. The smells become trapped in the baking soda and are extracted when you vacuum. 3. Grout cleaner. Make a paste by mixing equal parts baking soda and water and apply it to the grout between your tiles. Use an old toothbrush to scrub away grease, soap scum, and mildew. Baking soda's cleaning power also helps return the grout to its original color. 4. Refreshing sofas. Over time, sofas and upholstered chairs absorb odors from food, pets, and daily use. Every few months, lightly sprinkle baking soda onto your fabric sofas. Let it rest for 30 minutes, then vacuum it off to revive the material's freshness. 5. Removing mug stains. Struggling with persistent tea or coffee marks in your mugs? Add a teaspoon of baking soda plus a few drops of water to form a paste, then gently scrub with a sponge or cloth. Those stubborn brown rings fade away instantly. 6. Underarm deodorant. Baking soda also shines as a natural deodorant. Just dab a small pinch beneath dry armpits to neutralize odors and combat odor-causing bacteria, even when you sweat. 7. Worktop cleaner. If your worktop feels sticky, greasy, or is stained after cooking, sprinkle baking soda directly onto the surface and wipe it clean with a damp cloth. It lifts away grime without leaving a strong chemical odor, and it's more affordable than most commercial cleaners. 8. Cleaning mattresses. Occasionally dust your mattress with baking soda. Let it sit for about an hour, then vacuum away dust mites, sweat, and odor particles. Mattresses can harbor all sorts of buildup, and baking soda helps draw out moisture to prevent further problems. 9. Teeth cleaner. For a natural whitening solution, wet your toothbrush and dip it in baking soda. Gently brush for 1-2 minutes. This lifts surface stains off the enamel and can brighten your smile. 10. Oven cleaning. Stubborn baked-on grease in ovens is notoriously hard to remove. Here's a simple hack. Spray the oven's interior with pure white vinegar, then sprinkle baking soda over it. Let it bubble and react for about 30 minutes, then scrub away with a scourer or steel wool. 11. Foot soak. Add 2 tablespoons of baking soda to a basin of warm water and soak your feet for 15 to 20 minutes. Baking soda softens calluses, deodorizes, and helps soothe tired feet. 12. Wall scuff remover. Have scuff marks or crayon drawings on your walls? Blend baking soda with a little water into a paste. Rub it gently onto the marks, then wipe clean. No damage to the paint whatsoever. 13. Splinter removal. If a splinter is embedded under your skin, make a thick paste of baking soda and water. Apply it over the area, then cover it with a bandage. This mild swelling action helps bring the splinter closer to the surface. 14. Boiling eggs. To make hard-boiled eggs simpler to peel, add half a teaspoon of baking soda to the water. This slightly alters the water's pH, allowing the shells to slip off more easily. 15. Freshening breath. Bad breath can be caused by mouth acidity and bacteria. Just rinse with half a teaspoon of baking soda in a glass of water, swishing for about 30 seconds before spitting. This helps neutralize odors and bring back fresh breath. 16. Laundry booster. One of my family's favorite tricks is adding a cup of baking soda straight into the washing machine for brighter, better-smelling laundry. It deodorizes garments, softens hard water, and even cleans the machine in the process. 17. Natural shampoo. Every few weeks, blend 1 teaspoon of baking soda with your usual shampoo. Massage it into your scalp, then rinse thoroughly. This clears away product residue, especially if you use plenty of styling products, leaving hair feeling fresh and clean. 18. Tenderizing meat. I've used this technique repeatedly to transform cheaper cuts into tender, melt-in-your-mouth steaks. Sprinkle a tiny amount of baking soda on beef steaks, let it sit for 15 minutes, no more, then rinse it off, pat the meat dry, and cook as usual. Baking soda helps break down tough fibers, enhancing tenderness. 19. Kitty litter deodorizer. You can sprinkle baking soda into your cat's litter box to absorb odors between changes. It's safe for pets, cost-effective, and works beautifully. 20. Morning baking soda drink. Did you know your body naturally produces bicarbonates to support internal pH balance and digestion? An old-time remedy involves mixing a quarter teaspoon of baking soda, not baking powder, into a glass of water and drinking it first thing in the morning. This can help promote the flow of digestive enzymes without overly altering stomach acidity. I've made a video outlining how to use this safely and explaining its numerous benefits. Feel free to watch the video currently on the screen for more details. Thank you for tuning in. I wish you great health, prosperity, and happiness.